Solana's latest news and developments, and fresh off the press is this article from Cointelegraph that we'll be checking out. And of course, we'll check out some tweets. And if you guys stay tuned to the end of the video, we'll see how this has affected the price of Solana and do some technical analysis. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and have that bell notification lit up so you guys do not miss out on this awesome content. We got the Solana team has brought mobile phones to Web3 after revealing Saga, Solana's Android mobile device that will go out with the project's latest stack for Web3 developers. This is bullish news for Solana. The Solana mobile stack, the community welcomed the new development with various reactions from comparing the project to Apple and Ethereum to bringing up concerns over Solana's network outages. That's something that's happened, and some things that, it's okay to voice about because, well, they're facts. Those things happen. Also, if we look back, Ethereum also almost had that same problem back in 2017 with CryptoKitties, but that's for another story. We got Vinny praised the move and called it Web3's very own iPhone movement. That is huge right there. That's a big statement. And thanked Solana co-founder Natalie for making it possible. Meanwhile, David was also impressed, calling Solana the Apple of Web3 in a tweet. And we're going to check that tweet out in just a bit. I mean, this is huge for us right here at the Solana network. Some community members also took this opportunity to compare Solana's progress to the Ethereum network. Twitter users, the Solomon, pointed out that while Solana launched a Web3 phone, Ethereum stays without innovation in years. And those are facts. Let's just call it let's call a duck a duck. If it walks like a duck and quacks like a duck, it's a duck. And in a Twitter thread, users Nathan Web3 also explained how Solana is becoming a growing threat to Ethereum. According to the Twitter user, Sol's developers are able to grasp the shortcomings of ETH when it comes to user experience. That is huge right there. That's user usability or whatever, making it very, very easy for people. Because of this, Solana's team is addressing the issues and simplifying things for everyday users. They tweeted, okay? And right here, we have this quick tweet that we'll go over really quick. But what matters is right here. Let me scroll down actually, my bad. I got two screens on you guys. But what matters is what the everyday user gravitates to. The Solana crowd is more in touch with reality ESP when it comes to product development. Is this very decentralized? No. Is this ethically funded, monetized? Probably not. Laughing out loud. But could your grandma use this? Yes. And being able to use it very easy, user-friendly stuff, that is going to be huge for crypto adoption, okay? So let's check out this tweet right here, which I think was pretty epic. Be sure to like and retweet this because this is huge right here. Wow, Solana is now the Apple of Web3, releasing a phone. Can't say his name. Kovenko has his Steve Jobs moment, and that is for sure. This is a Steve Jobs moment. It looks like one. I mean, this is bullish news. Let me know down in the comments, are you feeling bullish about the Saga cell phone? Do you guys want me to cop one of these cell phones and let you guys know what I think about it when they're released? To be honest with you, has my iPhone got better over the years? Of course. So this being the first one, is there probably going to be some issues or something like that? We don't know just yet, but things improve over time. The reason I'm bullish on it is because I'm a crypto enthusiast, and this is a huge step, not just for Solana, but all of those who believe in crypto. Imagine having the wallet right there, your NFTs, all in one device. That's what we need to do in this crypto space. We kind of have to venture out to too many different platforms and use too many different devices just to use some of the dApps that we want to use, right? The centralized applications. But right now, this is, to me, like when I was starting to watch crypto evolve in 2017 heavily. 2017 was that hype. 2018 was the beginning of all these blockchains, different blockchains coming out. And then 2018 was wallets and whatnot like that. So we have these levels of evolving that crypto does. And right now, 2022, Solana is saying that we're bringing out a Web3 cell phone. This is pretty epic. If you're a crypto enthusiast, whether like me, you use an iPhone or not, I might cop one of those just because I support the whole crypto space. And this is something that's big for all of us. So let's go ahead and identify this low zero threshold, this support right here, right? We got this. I've done some deeper dives on Solana in other videos, so go tap on those, some price prediction and technical analysis. But in the short term right now, what we're looking at is this zero threshold right here. We have the setup, which the price was rejected right here recently. And we can see how that, plays out in the past as well. The price was rejected here. The price was rejected here before all-time highs. So are we seeing that again right now, where the price is being rejected right here from the zero threshold, right? Where it's going to set up. This will be the breakout zone at the 76 mark. Of course, there'll probably be a channel right here on the 140 mark or whatnot. But nevertheless, these are some good gains on the table with a network that's continuously developing. This is huge for not just the Solana network, but more eyes, more investors, new eyes, people who might just buy a Saga cell phone and not even know that it's a Solana cell phone until they find out later on, as crypto continues to evolve and come into our everyday life. So I want you guys to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, share these videos, snip it, do whatever you guys like, share it on TikTok, Twitter, Twitch, whatever you guys have, and get the word out there on the Saga cell phone and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.